Hello class, this is CCote and this is my interactive infographic presentation. What I chose to do this on was the same data set that I had used earlier with the video game sales. I chose to kind of dig down and get more into the violent video game sales, and kind of going back to the age-old argument of do violent video games promote violence in society? You can see in the lower right corner, violent crime is pretty much just been on a steady decrease over the years. There's really no correlation there. I did want to bring in some factors from the economy, such as employment, unemployment, and just GDP to see if there might be any correlations there. And there didn't really seem to be anything interesting as a result. The one area that does show some interest is the increase in mass shootings in the lower left corner. As that has been increasing more and more, that does seem to coincide pretty tightly with the increase of violent video game sales. So I found that to be kind of interesting, and the interaction that I do have on this graph right now is mostly overlays. When you hover over the video game, when you hover over the bar graphs, you can see the video game that the video games that actually go into what caused the sales to increase that high. Each one of these points does go into a little bit further data about the data of that particular section. The mass shooting you can see here is in 2007. There were a total victims of 123. On the right-hand side, we have all the legends. I did want to keep this a little bit more simple because there is a great deal of information that's here. On the left, I tried to get a little bit playful with the type. Tableau is really restrictive. I had actually designed this entire thing using Roboto, and it turns out that you can't really embed fonts into Tableau, which it appears online is kind of a bigger complaint. But anyway, I had to go back and kind of redo some of the font work at the last minute. So that was a last minute change, and I would like to tighten that up a little bit. But anyways, this is my graph, and I hope you like it. I look forward to hearing your comments. Thanks, everybody.